Our big story this month is the Natural Resource Damage Assessment Agreement. The $42 million agreement has been signed. That money goes toward restoring natural resources all across Oak Ridge and the surrounding communities. It's been a long time coming and took into account community concerns and professional input. So this video you're seeing is from a public meeting about 2 years ago. DOE, Tennessee Department of Environment and Conservation, U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service, and Tennessee Valley Authority were all there to talk about that number. Now, all the funds from that $42 million agreement will be deposited into an account held by the state of Tennessee. It'll be used for grants to fund a wide range of projects that enhance the area's natural resources or provide nature and recreational opportunities. So joining us now is Debbie Duran with the Tennessee Department of Environment and Conservation. So Debbie, those grants, they've got no minimum. They can go into the millions. What are some examples of projects that we might see funded by them, and explain the significance?
So I think just because I know that for this area, it is just going to really benefit the community. So the Oak Ridge community, the surrounding areas that will be eligible for projects. So there will be 12 hydrologic unit codes that are specified in the restoration project selection procedure. And so it's open to the local government entities to apply for grants and others that will be specified in that document. And I just think it's so promising for supporting wildlife, outdoor recreation opportunities, groundwater protection, and just ecological services in that area. It's going to really balance the entire community as far as creating a healthy environment and place to live.
Debbie, thank you so much. Appreciate it. We've got some more on that grant process and go even more in depth over on our YouTube channel. Be sure to subscribe for more exclusive stories.